Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we're here with another driving video. It's also a property update as well. We are on Charlemont Drive in the Liguanea area, in the Barbican area. So on this drive, Charlemont Drive, there is about 3 different apartment complexes that is being constructed right now. So just want to show you guys a little bit around the area and the construction that's happening as well. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys a glimpse of this property right here on the left. It's a very unique design. A lot of geometrical lines. You know, it's unique, very unique to me. So just wanted to show you guys a glimpse right here on Charlemont Drive, 19 Charlemont Drive. Not sure if any one of you guys ever passed it before, but it caught my eyes, so just wanted to show you guys nevertheless. Alright guys, very unique design. I like it. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, first of all, remember to subscribe, remember to like, share, and leave a comment as well. Again, we're on Charlemont Drive, doing a community drive, but also highlighting some construction that's happening up this side. This is right outside of the Liguanea area, as I mentioned. Alright, so this is the first property coming up that I'm gonna show you guys. There also is a billboard, so I'll show you guys what it should look like when it's finished as well. Alright, so there's 2 beside each other, or across from each other. So one over here, this one is Garscott Developers 32. So that's what it should look like when it's finished. And realtor information. Alright guys, so that's 2 beside each other, or facing each other rather. So I showed you guys just some glimpses. They're not very far into construction. And then there's, I think, another 1 or 2 down the road as well. And these are some apartment complex townhouses that have already been finished. Very nice colors, very earth tone colors as well. So again, we are on Charlemont Drive. Alright, so we're heading to the other development. Alright guys, so we are now approaching development number 3. I'll come outside and give you guys a better glimpse as well. Alright, so just showing you guys around the area. Alright, so this one is a multi-level apartment complex. Not sure if you guys are seeing clearly. Rooftop pool, underground parking. Looks to be 4 floors. Other recreational spaces. This one is called Mount Charles. Currently being developed. Alright, so Charlemont Road, multiple apartment complexes going up, some already completed. So Roselle Avenue. Alright, so this is another shot, another angle. It's always good when they put up a billboard so persons can see the finished project and get some detail as well. This one have decent fencing as well. So while construction is happening, at least it's not an eyesore while construction is happening. Alright, so the final place we're checking out is just down the road right there. Pretty close by, so just a second while we get closer. Alright guys, again still on Charlemont Drive. So this is another apartment development. This looks like 3 or 4 floors, or 3 floors with a rooftop area. There's a small billboard. It's better than none, but there's a small billboard which I'll try to zoom in for you guys so you guys have an idea of the finished project. Let me see if I can pick it up from here. There's a realtor information there as well. Century 21, Sasha Taylor Ward. And then that's the billboard. So again, we're on Charlemont Drive. So it's a pool, jogging trail, recreation. Alright guys, so there you had it. Charlemont Drive, multiple apartment complex going up. A lot already there. So just showing you guys around the area, showing you guys some glimpses. It's good that all of them have up a billboard, so at least we could have seen the final project, what it will look like. So I'll take you guys back down into Liguanea side, so you guys have an idea of exactly where we are. We're right beside the Chest Hospital right now. That's the left turn right here. Alright, let me go around there and show you guys. Personally, I've never been over there. No reason to go over there. But this is where the National Chest Hospital is. And then New Providence Primary is right beside it. I won't go all the way in because I don't have a need. But I'm just showing you guys where we are. So New Providence over this side. New Providence Prep. And I'll drive with you guys, go all the way out to Sovereign Liguanea, so you guys see exactly where we're coming from and where Charlemont Drive is. And then over here is Sovereign North on the right. One of those upscale plaza. Then we have the new Progressive Shopping Center Liguanea, not yet open. It's finished, but I guess the tenants are working on their spaces. Once they're finished, I'll definitely pass through for you guys. You know this. And then down here we have Lane Arcade Village. I have a video on it, but let me drive through. Quick drive through for you guys since we're here. So this is Lane Arcade Village, another uptown type plaza. We have Pita Grill, some clothes store, Sea Deck, Shiva, another restaurant. If you check the channel, you'll find a complete tour that I did of this plaza, Lane Arcade Village. So we are in Liguanea area. Just a quick drive around, and then we go back on the main. And then next plaza coming up is Lane Liguanea. This is their back entrance. And then we have the Sovereign Liguanea just around the corner. So this is Sovereign. I know for most persons, once you're in Kingston, at least once you'd have must visited Sovereign Liguanea sometime in your life. It's a very popular spot. Alright guys, so thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for watching. Definitely leave your comments. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share as well. And I appreciate all you guys watching, and I know I can depend on persons to always share information. Even this drive we did on Charlemont Drive, one of our subscribers in the channel suggested, I pay a visit based on the amount of construction on Charlemont Drive. So you guys feel free to always share information. If you have a project, if there's an active construction, if you have a property you want me to review, you can always buzz me in the comments. You can always WhatsApp me or call me as well. My WhatsApp number is in the description, 456-4295. So yeah, so thanks for watching guys. Thanks for supporting, and I'll definitely see you on another drive-in video or another property review.